Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be planting some sprouts, swede and cabbage. So I think it's March the 10th today, so it's about time to get these growing. And I'm also going to be doing another sowing of some tomatoes. These are tumbling toms, which I'll use these for the hanging baskets and hopefully have them dotted around outside everywhere. So let's get into it. It's just some general multi-purpose compost. I ran it through a sieve quickly, just makes for pricking out easier afterwards, and the plants come apart a bit easier. So just do 2 drills on either side of the tray. I'll do the sprouts first. So these are Evesham Special. I've never tried these ones. There's an average of 100 seeds in the packet. Won't be showing that many. I'll just fill that back in. And same with these are Denmark 21. Sow March and April for November, December and January harvests. I do still have some left in the garden from last year to harvest. Probably get that done this week. And do exactly the same with these, just an even row. Once these are 2 to 3 inches tall, I'll prick them out into separate pots. And just fill that in, tamp it down. the label onto them. Give them a good soaking later on. Right, so that's the sprouts done. Swede and cabbage next. I will be showing a lot of things this month in March. It's time to start getting stuff ready and we're nearly in spring now. These are golden acre, so February to May, harvest June to October. These are great for coleslaws, which is mainly what I use cabbages for. And again, just do 2 drills down the edge of the tray. And exactly the same with these, just an even row, and they can all be pricked out afterwards. I could give these a thin covering of the Mickey Light, but I've run out and haven't had a chance to go and get any more. So compost will do exactly the same. It's just that the Mickey Light holds a bit of moisture and stops them from drying out so quick. These are Marian Swedes. These are the ones that I grew last year. I was late sowing them last year, so we're going a bit earlier this year. Sorry about that. Phone call about the electric going on and off. So yeah, I sowed these a bit late last year, so we ended up with a lot of small Swedes, but still very nice. So just going a bit earlier with them this year. And cover them up. Last year I did label everything up, but I didn't put the variety, so I wasn't sure which ones I had grown and which ones I haven't. So it's always good to make sure that you put the variety as well as what it is on your label. That way you'll know for next time whether or not it's worth growing again. Right, there's only 20 seeds in that, so no point wasting the whole tray. I'll use 9cm pot. And just scatter them over the top. Okay, there's not many at all in it. So hopefully we get good germination. And just a light covering of soil on top of them again. And that's them. Tumbling Tom's done. So I'll just give them a good soaking. And then these can go on top of the fish tank. With everything else. And once they're about an inch or so big, they can get potted on into their own little trays and planted out. I've already been hardening off some of the stuff and putting them out in a cold frame during the day and bringing them in at night. So it's freed up a bit more room. Right, so that's about it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, let me know in the comments below what seeds you're sowing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.